How to fix Facebook Messenger can't open messages. Hi guys, first thing, open the settings, go to the apps, open the apps like this, and then scroll until you find Messenger. Click on Messenger and then click on Force Stop. After that, click on Storage. Click on Clear Data and delete all the data inside the app. Go back, click on Data Usage. Disable the background data and make sure that the roaming data, the Wi-Fi and the mobile data, everything is enabled. Go back to the settings on your phone, open the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode for 3 seconds, and after that disable it. Last thing you want to do is go to the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone, search for Messenger and update it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.